प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू all are fine. Okay. Have you all understood what I have taught on the first class? Okay. Today we are going to continue the lesson. Okay, my dear kids. Okay. Take your textbook and see that where we have to take. There you should write today's date and day. What is the date today? 5/10/2020. And what is the day today? Monday to Somavar. So right there on the up of this para, push say before up of that you should write today's date. Finished all of you? Okay. Listen carefully. पुष्प से तंद्रालस लालसा खींच लूँगा मैं, अपने नवजीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. पुष्प से तंद्रालस लालसा खींच लूँगा मैं, अपने नवजीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको, हैं मेरे वे जहाँ अनंत, अभी न होगा मेरा अंत. द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको, हैं मेरे वे जहाँ अनंत, अभी न होगा मेरा अंत. What the poet was telling? The poet is telling to the youth that your life is not going to end now. Your life is more is there you to do. So you should not lose your confidence and you should go forward, isn't it? So you should throw your laziness and you should go forward. Like that only. Pushp se tandralas. He is telling that pushp se. Pushp means flower. From each and every flower. Pushp se. From each and every flower. Tandralas lalsa खींच लूँगा मैं. Tandralas means laziness because of tandralas. Laziness because of sleep. Laziness because of sleep. That only tandralas. Lalsa. Then lalsa खींच लूँगा means I will take all the laziness from everyone, from each and every flower. Flower means you people only. Here Kavi, here poet is telling the flower as you. Okay, here the flower is you only, you people. From you, the Kavi is, the poet is telling that I will take all the laziness from the people, from you people, from the youth people. अपने नव जीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. अपने नव जीवन में न्यू लाइफ का अमृत means honey. I will spread सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. With the happiness I will spread, I will sprinkle for to everyone the honey of new life. I will spread the honey of new life to each and every flower. I will take the laziness from the flower and I will give the flower. You see the flowers and all, we can see the nectar, isn't it? That honey, it will be there now. So he is telling that I will take all the laziness from the flower and I will give new life, like I will sprinkle the new life's honey to all the flower. Navajeevan, new life. Navajeevan means new life. Navajeevan means new life. Amrut means honey. Saharsh means happy. Sinj dunga, sprinkle. Sprinkle. So I will take all the laziness from each and every flower and I will give new life's honey to every flower with happiness. Then next para, द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको. Then afterwards what I will do? I will show the door Dwar. Dwar means door. I will show the door. Which door? Dikha dunga fir unko. Then afterwards I will show the door. What door? Hey mere ve jahan anand. Where it is no ending is there. There I will show the door towards the no ending way. No ending way where it is not going to end. That way I am going to show to that flowers. Flowers means people, youth people. So he is telling that I will show the new Jeevan, new new lives honey I will sprinkle on that each and every youth people, and I will show the door where it is no end, there that door I will show to that people. Anand means no end. Abhi na hoga mera and. Now my end is not going to happen. So he is telling that I will take all the lessons from the people and I will give the new lives honey to that people, and I will show the door where it is no end. That door also I will show to them. Like that poet is telling. Okay, my dear kids, that's all this lesson. Who has written this lesson? Suryakant Tribadi Nirala. Isn't it? Suryakant Tribadi Nirala. Then we have to see some grammar. Grammar in Hindi, Vyakaran. So, grammar. What grammar? You see here some words are there. 6 words I have written here. First one, baaton mein. Second one, rehkar. Third one, lal. Fourth one, subah. Fifth one, khadi. Sixth one, raat. You can see that the first one portion word is repeated twice, isn't it? Baaton, then baaton mein. Like that, it is repeated. Rehkar. Lal, subah, khadi, raat. So it is repeated, isn't it? So when what is the speciality in this word is, if you are keeping that word separately means, if bathom it is coming means, it means thing or matter or like that. Bathom, if singly we are taking that bathom means, that means thing. But if we are adding together, if it is twice, if it is repeating, baaton mein means in the course of a talk, in between the talk, like that, in the course of a talk. Baaton mein. Baaton means, so when we are joining, the word is twice, it is coming means the word's meaning will change. Like that only it is telling. So baaton means thing, but baaton mein means in the course of a talk, in between of a talk, like that. So next one, rah means stay, but rehkar means intermittently. Intermittently means what? Intermittently without any what we will say, without any difficulty, without any disturbance. So rehkar. So with stay, rehkar means intermittently. Like that, the other words also. Lal means red. Lal means reddish. Then subah means morning. Subah means early morning. Khadi means watch. Watch. Khadi every moment, each and every moment. Khadi. Raat means night. Raaton during the night. Okay, like this it is. So the meaning is changing. If when it is twice it is coming means. Okay, my dear kids. Then next one what we are going to learn is Visheshan. We learned already in that last year, but you forgot, I think. Visheshan means adjective. What is adjective? Visheshan. Visheshada batane wala shabd. Which word is telling the speciality of the person or thing or like that. So they are telling the speciality. Visheshada batane wale shabd. Speciality telling word. Okay, example, udaharan, you see Mrudul Vasant. From the textbook itself we can see that Mrudul Vasant spring. The spring is how it is Mrudul, soft. So that soft is what? Visheshan. That soft is Visheshan. Mrudul adjective. So Mrudul means soft. Vasant spring. So how the spring is soft spring. So Mrudul only Visheshan. Then next one, Komal Gat. Soft, that Komal also soft only. Soft body. Gad means body. So how the body is soft. So Komal Gat. So Komal is the Visheshan. Then next one, symbol only, bada ghar. You have big house, isn't it? Big house, how it is big, so that big is the adjective, big is the speciality of that house. So bada means, bada is the visheshan here. See this one, what you can see the picture of an apple, which color apple? This one, red color, isn't it? So lal seb, so that lal is the visheshan here. So lal is the visheshan. So what the speciality of that apple, if you are, when it is telling, is that adjective only. So that speciality of that apple, what it is? Red in color. So lal is the visheshan. Then here you can see one person, boot atmi. Atmi means man. How what type of man he is? He is an old man, isn't it? So boothe atmi, bootha atmi, bootha atmi means old man. So which is the speciality of that man? Bootha. Bootha means old. So that is visheshan. Bootha means old. Then you can see one boy, he is crying, isn't it? So he is very sad. So dukhi, sad boy. Dukhi letka. Dukhi letka. So that letka's visheshan what? Dukhi. So dukhi letka. Then what you are seeing? One girl, isn't it? Sundar ledki, beautiful girl. Sundar, Sundar is the visheshan. Sundar ledki, Sundar is the visheshan. Okay, my dear kids, now you understood what is visheshan. Okay, there are types of visheshans and all is there, types of adjectives are there, that we will learn in the next class. If you have any doubt or anything is there, please clear it in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, धन्यवाद मेरे बच्चों.